You've been looking for ways to make money online. I guess that is the reason why you clicked on this video. If today is the first time watching a video from my channel, don't forget to subscribe. This website is actually about completing tasks and then get paid. So when you log in into this website, when you open the website at the first time or for the first time, this is what you're going to see. The link to this website is in my description. So you would have to log in with an email or create a new account. So I'll log in with my email. So this is the home page after logging in or creating an account. So you would have to choose a task and then you complete the task and then you receive a coins. And after you receive these coins can be converted or withdrawn into money, which is 1,000 coins is equivalent to I think $1, or yes, $1. So you can do that. So you can see the procedure. You just have to choose a task, you complete it. It could be an app you install, you run the app for some minutes, or if it's a game you play to some level or any other thing. So these are the steps to complete this task. And also, if you have a referral code, you can input it. You can input the referral code and then you open the case. You click on open case to receive the rewards. But aside that, I don't think there's a need to do that. So let's just focus on how to just complete a task and then move on. So to see the tasks and complete them, you click on N. You click on N. When I click on N, you can see the list of tasks over there. So you can see the featured offers and then offer walls and all this. So you can click on anyone and then you continue with the procedure. I'm just doing a little introduction about this. I'll do more videos about this if I see increments in interactions. Yes, so these are the available withdrawal methods: PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Yes, you have Amazon gift card as well, and a whole lot of withdrawal this thing. And I think PayPal and Bitcoin will be recommended because they are the fastest way I think you can use. And also their online services are also available 24/7. You can contact them anytime. So if you have any problem, don't hesitate to contact them. Just contact them and then they'll sort everything out for you. Alright, so to make things easier, you can choose to download their app as well. So let's go to the place. This is a PC. You can't get the app on the PC, but on your phone you can get the app on your phone. So let's go to Google Play Store and then check about the app. Let's see the reviews and then the comments people are giving on this app to see whether it's legit or it's a scam. So we scroll down and you can see the reviews. Yes, you can see the review, about 5,000 reviews, and you can see yes, 5-star. A lot of people are giving 5-star to this app. So I can recommend this. So it's a good app. It's a good app. So you can see what the first person said. He said the first registration is so simple, and yes, you can see everything is real. It's not a scam. Alright, so this is just another good way to earn money online. In this channel, I'll give you more of this content, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification. Thank you.